Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to eliminate maggots. This video will take you through the fast and safe ways to keep these fly larvae away from inside or around your home, so make sure you stick around for that. First, boil water and pour it on the maggots. Unlike other insects or pests, maggots do not have a strong protective layer. For this reason, it is much easier to exterminate them using an organic or natural method, such as pouring hot water on them. Hot water will denature the proteins in maggots, killing them within seconds. Pour hot water when the maggots are inside a trash bin or outside your home. Do it slowly and carefully to avoid burns. Additionally, avoid pouring boiled water on your walls or carpet to prevent damage or the growth of mold. You can carefully mix boiled water with white vinegar and flush it down drains or pour it into trash bins infested with maggots. Combining heat and acidity, this solution helps create an unfriendly environment for maggots. Sprinkle salt on the areas infested by maggots. These pests require water to thrive. Sprinkling salt into a maggot-infested area will naturally dehydrate them, leading to their death. That is a simple and inexpensive method, as you can easily obtain a large amount of table salt. Once you cover an area infested by maggots with salt, leave it exposed to direct sunlight for about an hour. The combination of heat and salt is lethal in eliminating maggots. You can use garden lime if you have maggots in your garden or yard. Mix equal amounts of lime, calcium hydroxide, and salt. Then sprinkle them on the maggots to dehydrate and kill them more quickly and safely. Apply diatomaceous earth. If maggots come into contact with diatomaceous earth, they dehydrate, much like they do when exposed to salt. You can apply diatomaceous earth in areas infested with maggots, such as inside and around garbage cans, compost areas, and carpet fibers. Ensure the areas you use this substance are dry. Because diatomaceous earth is likely to cause irritation, do not apply it in areas that pets or kids can access. Additionally, always adhere to the product manufacturer's instructions to use it safely. Use insecticides. Using insecticides can help you kill maggots quickly. However, you should adhere to the safety instructions on the labels before and after using these chemicals. For instance, you may need to wear gloves before usage and wash your hands thoroughly after using insecticides. So there you have it. The methods of eliminating maggots from inside or around your house should be fast and safe, helping you avoid the health hazards they pose, including infection of human tissue through open wounds and food contamination. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time.